Kasoka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasing thodieng kala menjuri ke jingterwa ban ai license no iki wine store baken pen poi kiat sekitliwing jongki brio ke bakwa thiet kiat bat kum juru ban pendam no ek memorandum of association bat ko company bal IT ban pentrekam yak ngot hydroelectric project yakini kirai la shim hakajing lang jongka kan hon menteri na lor ki wai pat kirai Kasorkar jala hakani kejialang kalaya taisan ibha ya kejing terwa balawan ra dakatanat excise ban wan ra ya ka rule bathamai haka Meghalaya excise rules ban ai license ya kedukan kiat bakin penpoi kiat chakiyeng jong kibriye ki bakwa thiet kiat Hendrai hakani ka kendon labu pan ba kejing penpoi ya ka kiat pareng kamdai ban palat ya ka lai litar bat ka wain kan long saw litar uwe ubriu Nalor kani kinong shim license kan hapru ban IT ya ka thup kerteng jong ki brio ba phawan rakyat chayeng ki jakasa bat ki wei ki chingtip shaka office jong ka deputy commissioner haba bu ru ya ka kendon ba ki brio ba phawan rakyat ke de ban long duna ya ka arpos nem karta ya ka bahab ban pinshisha de ki kot kisla bala a de ki bor sarkar lum kumta kengat ha ki jing pensaja jong ka an
on the license for home delivery of liquor by wine shops in the Meghalaya Assam Excise Rules 1945 as adapted and amended by Meghalaya. So this matter came to the cabinet today as a formal item. It was discussed and after discussions this agenda was approved by the cabinet.
Kene kejialang kala shimru ya karai ban pendam no ya memorandum of association balaya soi bat ka company MS Jaiprakash Power Ventures Limited ban pentekam ya ngot hydroelectric project ka ba aspa nyo po megawatts. Ya kene karai la shim hadien ba kene ka company kam shimlala ban sedang ya ka project wat hadien balaya soi ya kejingate kular nadu kasnem arjar hinyo. Habakali laya thu bakadaw kadai namar bakani ka company kaladan hapdeng kejing kerdu pisa na lor kibai kejing bakaya kendu. Nakalyang kesoka jala kala pentem basan kan sepin mi biang ya kejing penbena expression of interest na kabentaban pentrai ya ka project.
So the corporation may, I'll repeat, with the previous sanction of the state government, borrow money for the purpose of raising its working capital or meeting any expenditure of a capital nature or for undertaking commercial projects for raising additional funds or for purposes other than raising capital in the open market.
Kasorka jala hakani kejialang kala airu kejing menjur ban thungkam contract ya khatlai ngut ki child development project officer hapo katanat social welfare ban pendap ya ki kam balan bat yakini kinong trai labu ban seu tu lob duna ya ka lai phau hajar tangka shibnai la ban kedo bakatanat social welfare kala tho shithi shaka Meghalaya Public Service Commission hakasnam arja khatphra ban penlong ya ki interview thapkam haki hendriu teliki kambalan hendrei namar ki babun kidaw shimlala ban penya chakmat ya ka jing thungkam Nalor kani kasorka jala kalarai ban ajaka langno yakikenthe haki Village Employment Council nakabenta ban pentrekam yaka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. La pentem bayakikenthe injet kum ki secretary jongki VEC dakapali kanang bakanamdon kasyu kejing pet chiliang khamat yaki.